Okay. Hey guys. I just had to get the blue tablet because look. Look at all that hail. Oh, and look at the trampoline. Hold on. I'm gonna go outside. Yeah, this is, ow. So, let's pick one up. Yeah. God, it's like thick. But look at the trampoline. Okay, it's getting pretty cold. So, it's pretty bad out there, but you got to see my car. Look at that. Look at that. It's just weird. Oh, it's. Oh God, it's really picking up now. Look at that. Okay, guys, this was just a short video, so I'm gonna do the outro now. Look at this. Look at that. My God. Okay, this is going to be my outro now. So guys, it's pretty stormy out there. And, yeah. Anyways, this is going to be the end of my video. It was quite short. Only 1 minute something. But anyways, bye.